Good afternoon, goalers. Oh, sorry, napahawa. And welcome to another video. Ating ginoong goals and ang goal natin ngayon is maghanap na ng replacement nitong ating Hero 4 Black. Kasi hopeless na, hindi na siya mag-start, ayaw na niya mag-charge, ayaw na niya mag-power on. Kahit anong gawin natin. So, reasonable naman siguro, 6 years na din naman. Or, no, 6 years, not 6 years, 4 years only. Tama, 4 years lang nagamit and slightly second hand na din to ng binili ko. Kaya ang ngayon, ang goal natin maghanap ng replacement nga nitong Hero 4. Pero galing na tayo sa mall kahapon. Ang ideal ngayon kasi September 22, 2020 na ngayon. Lumabas na sa ibang bansa yung GoPro Hero 9. Dito sa Oman wala pa rin, kahit sa ibang mga online store ng Lulu, ng Extra, ng Sharap DG, puro wala. So nag-try ako dito sa OLX Oman. Nakita ko itong ang Hero 8, kaso drawing lang pala. Nasa stage pa 135. Pagtsatsagaan ko na sana Hero 8 eh, kasi kailangan na natin sa Thursday, kasi nga may big event tayo sa Thursday. Tapos meron din nag-post. Ito, 09, 145. Pre-order naman pala siya. So, danger din to. Kasi tingnan nyo yung sabi niya. Asa na yan? Ayan o. Need to pay the amount in advance to get, and no cancelling of order will be the price with shipping. Only WhatsApp. Only in WhatsApp. Are you sick? Sobrang talino naman ng papayag dyan kahit 145 reals dyan. Okay, so point natin ngayon, let's keep searching. Max, maganda yung Hero 5 session. Hero 5 session in 60 real. Today, Hero 6 with original accessories, 110. Kailangan natin eh. Tingnan natin today. Isa na. Ito yung mga ano niya. Try natin tawadan ng 80 reals. Pagbibigay niya ng 80 reals, kunin na natin para lang may magamit tayo sa Thursday. Okay lang naman, ang bahala sa stabilization niya. Kasi ang habol natin sa GoPro Hero 8 or Hero 9, yung super smooth stabilization. Pero kung wala tayong choice, let's try this, okay? Let's try calling this guy. Ayun na po. Phone. Si 5, 4, 3, 6, 7, 2, 5. Kompleto, packet with fixed memory, 64, packet.
Hello?
Hello, assalamualaikum. Good afternoon. How are you? I'm good, thank you. I saw your this GoPro Hero 6 posted in OLX. Is it still available? Will you give it for 75 reals? Okay, just call me if you change your mind, okay? Thank you. Bye. So, 110 last price, GoPro Hero 6, not applicable. Okay, let's continue. Let's keep checking. Sorry wala akong screen recorder eh. At saka actual na naman to. raw actual footage impromptu vlog. Kaya ganyan tayo. I-upload ko na to as it is para lang may record sa goal natin. 3-axis gimbal, no, we don't need that. GoPro Hero 4, we need Hero 8. Hero 8, 180 reals. September 1. Last month pa to. Yung bibili nito, 165 nga lang sa mall. Okay, what it comes with? Hero 8, with accessories. We can try. Maybe. Okay, let's try. Okay, wala siyang contact number. We need to send a message. Pero September 1. What now? Almost 3 weeks ago. You want to try? Let's try. Let's send him a message. Maybe he will reply. Hi. Is this... why is this Arabic? Is this still available? Please, what's up? Me at 719 if available. Thank you. Wait, you want to see? There, ha? Ito, tatawaran natin ito ng pagbibigay niya ng kahit 140, okay na din to. Send natin yun, ha? Send. No, I need to log in. Oh fuck, I need to put my email. Okay, put my email there because I'm not logged in on my OLX account. I forget already. It's the Okay, send message. GoPro Hero 8 with accessories 180. Show add content. That's it. Where is it? Boom. This one. It's asking for 180 reals. He's asking for, because it comes with a chest or I think head mount, this one, some clips, and 2 batteries. Whoa, because there he have what's this, 200 GB memory card. What else are there? GoPro 8 glass. What's this? I think it's the screen protector. Okay, we'll ask for his best price and then let's see, just so we can have a GoPro by Thursday. Okay, let's keep looking. Stay. Ito. Okay. 150 reals. Wait, nang 8? Ato suka. Pero 9. Meron na kayo? Yan lang na kailangan sa Thursday. Anong may stock kayo dyan, action camera? Osmo Action, okay ba yun? Yun yung may screen sa harap na? Oo, yung DJI. Magkano yung ganun nyo? 120. Tapos, check ko na lang yung reviews. Anong kasama niyan? May ano siya, bag, strap, accessories. Kailan lumabas yung Osmo na yung ano? Last year lang. 120 Osmo. Check ko muna yung reviews pag ano. Sa Avenues lang naman yung branch niya, no? Okay. Sige, check it. Thank you. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so walang stock. Ay gadget pala to, kaya pala Ayun o, All Gadgets Electronics. So wala naman silang stock, 150 nga. Pero meron siyang sinuggest na ano, yung Osmo. Osmo yung DJI. Check natin yung reviews nun. Nakita ko din yung reviews. We'll see. Okay? Hanap muna tayong GoPro. Okay, here's another one. 165, same price as the mall. Pero, yan, 165 siya. Try natin. 9, 4, 3, 5, 6, 5, 8, 4. Boom. And this was posted back in, oh damn, 26 of August pa, before pa ako mag-birthday. Hopefully we'll see. It's not answering. Only one photo, probably. Hi, hello, good afternoon, how are you? Hi, is this Muhammad? Yeah. Yes, sorry. I just want to check if I saw posted your ads in OLX, but I noticed since 26th of August, if this GoPro Hero 8 is still available. It's all that. Okay. Thank you. Okay, sorry. Okay, failed again. That's okay. Relax lang. We have achieved. Oops. That's the end of line na. Wala na. 165. Yan lang po ang ating mga choices na. Okay. So, no choice. Mga kabayan na mga nakausap kong ano. So, let's try that DJI action cam, okay? I'll review let's just check. So, hindi pa fail tong goal natin po-post ko lang to. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Remember, para happy ang soul, kailangan lagi may goal. Dapat lagi may goal.